Now we're on to the final level of ad creation, the ad itself. This includes the formatting, media selection, and the site we want to drive our traffic to. For my clients, I've had better results from the single image and video especially. So once you select single or multiple images, next you'll need to upload those images or videos for your ad. So note on the right-hand side, Facebook will give you the recommended image size for this specific ad. You really want to follow this recommended image size because your ad will optimally take up the entire newsfeed space allotted for this type of ad. So if you use a square image, for example, that's not going to take up the whole newsfeed, and it may be misaligned. But if you're creating ads with a placement targeting Instagram, you will want that square image, or that 1000 by 1000 pixel image. You'll need to select the Facebook page to link with this ad, then link the Instagram account by logging into it, if you have one. If not, you can select the Facebook page. Then for this specific ad, I'm driving people to a website link, remember? So you'll need to input that website URL you want to drive people to. So just paste that URL right here. Once you have your ad built, you can preview what it will look like in each placement form. So what will it look like on the desktop, on a mobile device, on Instagram, and so on. So once you have your image or video uploaded, we have our URL set for this specific traffic objective campaign. Now we just need to fill out this ad copy. Now I really dive deep into ad copy and give you some ad copy examples at this blog post on our Coursenvy blog. So make sure to check that out, get your ad copy created, and then confirm and create this ad. Now it's time to start split testing and driving customers down your funnels. Build awareness, get clicks to your website, then convert them to paying customers.